Hello, Jaguars, and welcome to another day at Jefferson, where Jaguar leaders discover ways to use their ideas and hands to change the world. Today is Monday, January the 4th. We wanted to go ahead and send out the announcements today as you begin to prepare for the week. Our menu for the week is tomorrow we will be serving chicken nuggets roll and sauce, on Wednesday corn dog nuggets, Thursday a deli sandwich, and then on Friday pizza. For clarification regarding meals while KCS is virtual, please note that there will be 4 curbside feeding sites at Washington Elementary, Roosevelt Elementary, Lincoln Elementary, and our very own Jefferson Elementary. Families may pick up food each day from those schools from 10 a.m. until 1 p.m. Please be aware that our bus drivers are unfamiliar with families who do not normally ride the bus, and those families should email or call transportation if you would like bus-delivered meals. You may call the transportation's new phone number, which is on the screen, 423-578-1820, or you can make your request by email, which is also on the screen at kcstransportation@k12k.com. Once again, we've included some helpful information to use as a guide when experiencing sickness in your family and possible COVID-19 symptoms. It's very important that you can communicate with the school if over break anyone in your family was tested, is currently positive, or your family has been placed on quarantine by the health department. While students are virtual for the next 2 weeks, it is still very important to communicate with the school if any of the COVID-19 situations that are posted on the screen applies to anyone in your family. KCS announced before break that all KCS will be going virtual for the 2 weeks beginning January 5th. We are currently expected to return face-to-face on Tuesday, January 19th, due to January 18th being a scheduled holiday. Materials for your children are available today, as well as you may pick them up tomorrow beginning at 8 a.m. until 4:30. Many teachers have also provided online material through your child's Canvas classroom. If you have any questions, please contact the school at 423-378-2270, or you may send a message to your child's teacher through Class Dojo. And now it's time to celebrate some amazing Jaguars who are celebrating birthdays this week in the year 2021. So a big happy birthday goes out to yesterday on January 3rd in 3rd grade Carson H. and in 3rd grade Grayson H. On January the 8th in 4th grade Calvin E. and in 3rd grade Heather S. Celebrating a birthday on January 10th in 4th grade is Mason W. Happy birthday, dear Jaguars. Happy birthday to you. We'd like to give a big Jefferson shout out to Mr. Markland, one of our newest Jefferson staff. He will be serving our 3rd through 5th grade students as a special services teacher. Welcome, Mr. Markland. And now join me for some words of wisdom. Welcome to 2021, Jaguars, and Happy New Year. This is the traditional time of year for setting goals. It's called making a New Year's resolution. When we make resolutions, we set goals for the coming year. Goals give our lives direction. They help us figure out where we're going and how we will get there. When we write down our goals, we are making a roadmap into the future. When we set a goal and reach it, we feel proud of ourselves and we gain confidence. So today, Jaguars, take the time to write down your goals for this semester. When you're writing down your goals, remember these words: climb high, climb far, your goal for the sky, your aim for the stars, and then put that list of goals in a safe place. And when you start to get sidetracked or lost, you can pull them out and remember where it is you want to go and how you want to get there. If you reach your goal, notice if you feel proud of yourself. If you don't reach your goal, don't give up. Ask for help. Talk to someone you respect, someone a little older and wiser, and then try again. Remember, it's better to try and miss than not to try at all. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Mann, your school counselor, and may 2021 be an amazing year for all of us. And now you may join your teacher for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence.